Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. So today we've got a new wiper motor here for the BMW E60. Oh, it's very heavy. Nothing else in the box. Okay, so this is the Ridex wiper motor for the BMW E60. There you go, Ridex wiper motor. That's the model number 295W0173. It's come all the way from Germany. Ah, my bloody hand. Which way up is this bloody thing, man? There you go. This is brand new part apparently. I'm going to inspect it now. Let's have a look. Gotta make sure we don't lose any screws or anything. So there's the actual motor itself. Okay, there's the motor. There's your arm that's going to sit on. And there's your screw holes. So them 4 screws, and there's your connector end. Okay. Very nice, isn't it, guys? But yeah, this is brand new, so it should last quite a while, hopefully. And there's a number there. God knows what that's for. Probably another model number. Oh, why are we not focusing? There you go. Okay. There's a little indent there. Don't know what that's for. I believe they give you all the screws. Yep. Screws and washers, brand new. 2 bags of them. So I think you have spares. Unless 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So they give you a spare bag as well, just in case. Which is good of them. And you got washers with them. So yeah, it's a nice piece of motor, guys. But yeah, my wiper motor died again because last time I changed I put a used one in, but I got it for free and end of day afterwards. So because what they did was they took my old wiper and they just gave me the other one that they used, and they said I could have it because it wasn't working anyway, because it was faulty. It was faulty because it only had 1 speed setting, so I knew it was going to die eventually. This new one that we put in, this used part, I mean. We put that in January, we're in July now, so it lasted about 6 months, 7 months. So it's not bad for a free part, but we did have to pay £100 in labour, that's the thing. So that's where the cost is. So now we bought a brand new motor. I'm going to put this in, get this job done once and for all so it doesn't fail again. Because yeah, there's no point keep putting used parts in, because you don't know, the labour is expensive and it's big. It's a big job. It takes a few hours. It depends really, because it was quite hard to take off some parts on it. Parts of the windshield thing. Yeah, so yeah, it's quite a hard job. So yeah, hopefully this one works really nicely, otherwise I have a problem. But yeah, I bought this from Autodoc. So Autodoc, they have this thing where you can pay £5 and you get up to 200 days return. So yeah, that's pretty good. But it has to be unused in the same box and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll have to do. Yeah, you just have to repackage everything. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Hopefully this will fix all my troubles, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.